Fitzpatricks Mercedes-Benz Kildare is a dealership located in Kildare, Ireland that specialises in selling Mercedes-Benz vehicles. They offer new and used cars, as well as servicing and maintenance for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The dealership is known for its excellent customer service and knowledgeable staff who are dedicated to helping customers find the perfect Mercedes-Benz vehicle for their needs. Fitzpatricks Mercedes-Benz Kildare is a trusted and reputable dealership in the Kildare area for those looking to purchase a Mercedes-Benz vehicle.